Everyone, so this is Mrs. Brown. Um, if you don't remember, I am the long-term substitute that's going to be taking over for Mrs. Capochi when she goes out. So I just kind of wanted to get on and do a quick video just for tomorrow's instruction. Um, so on my screen, I have like a bunch of tabs open, but just if you can follow along with me. So on my screen, I am in the Google Classroom. Right now I'm on the AM writing class. So we're starting writing this week. I know that today was just a bunch of articles that you had to read and some videos you had to watch. So I kind of just wanted to just quickly go over tomorrow. So for tomorrow, for Tuesday, it says that you are to come up with one reason for your side and write it in the chart for reasons and evidence in the reason one box. So today, Monday, you had to read articles and you had to kind of come up with or think of a side that you wanted to be on. As far as should chocolate milk stay in school or should chocolate milk be banned from school? So that was what you had to do for today. You kind of had to be thinking about that, either side. And you didn't have to do anything more than that, just kind of reading, watching, and then coming up with or thinking about a side that you wanted to be on. So then for Tuesday, if you come down here, it says come up with one reason for your side and write it in the chart for reasons and evidence in the reason one box. So if you've already been thinking about a side, you're going to come up with a reason on why you think chocolate milk should stay in schools or why it should be banned. So if you come down here and look at all the resources that we have put on here, here's the chart. So I'm going to click on that and it's opening up. I have a bunch of tabs open, so that could be the reason why it's moving a little bit slower. But here is the organizer. It is a Google Doc, so everyone will have a copy. So what you want to do is you want to go on here and you want to find reason number one, okay? And you're going to just type whatever your reason is in here. Just really quick, a reason I could say, so I could say I'm going to pick a side. I'm going to say I think chocolate milk should stay in school. My reason for chocolate milk staying in school would be because it's healthy. So then that would be what I would type in reason number one. Then I would go over to the evidence box. If you go back to, I'm going to close this out. I'm actually going to go back to, close that. If you go back to the instructions, it says then find 3 pieces of evidence for your reasons. So once you do that, in the box that I just showed you, you're going to put your 3 reasons or your 3 pieces of evidence in the box where it says evidence, not your 3 reasons, I'm sorry. Your reason number one, you're going to put 3 pieces of evidence in the evidence box. So for instance, if I go down to one of my articles, I'm going to pick one of them. Here's one, Article 3. I'm going to open it up, Eating Well magazine. If I read through this, I know that one of the reasons it says in here is that chocolate milk, right here where it says natural sugars, more than half of that overall sugar contained in the chocolate milk, or about 13 grams in a cup, is naturally occurring sugar or lactose in the milk itself. So chocolate milk is healthier for you than it's saying 100% juice because chocolate milk has natural sugar. So then that would be a piece of evidence that I would use to put inside of my graphic organizer. If I go back to my chart, that would be one piece of evidence that I can use in my chart. So then I would go back and then I would see where it says evidence 1, and I would type that piece in directly inside of the box right here. So evidence 1, but I'm just going to type my evidence, what I just found in the article, in this box. And then if you scroll down, you will see that there are 3 different boxes for 3 pieces of evidence. You do not have to choose 3 pieces of evidence from the same article. It can be 3 different pieces of evidence from 3 different articles. It can be evidence from the videos. There are videos here that are linked to YouTube that you should have watched, and you can use these. These are also text. Videos are considered text for pieces of evidence, okay? So you have the 6 videos, and then you had the 11 articles to choose your evidence from. If you have any questions about what's a piece of evidence, if you have any question about what a reason would be, then you can message us, you can comment to us. We will answer those questions. That's what we are here for. So again, Tuesday, you come up with 1 reason for your side, only 1 reason for tomorrow. Put it in your reason box. Then you will go back to your articles and your videos and choose 3 pieces of evidence for just that 1 reason. Okay, so remember, I said my reason was, if I'm leaning towards the side of chocolate milk should stay in school, my reason was it's healthy for you. I went to the article, I found a piece of evidence that supported my reason, saying that chocolate milk is healthy for you. And I put exactly what the article said in my evidence box. Then I'm going to go back and I'm going to find 2 more pieces. So that's what you guys are going to do for tomorrow. Remember, we're here to help you. Okay, so any questions, let us know.